Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this Epic Games Launcher when you're trying to uninstall it. So let's get started and see how you can solve it. See here, if I go and try to uninstall it right here. So here, if I try to uninstall, as you can see here, if I click on uninstall, here you will see it will say Epic Games is currently running, please close it before continuing. So how you can, if you click retry, as you can see it's not working. So how you can fix this is just by going to your taskbar here, anywhere, and then right click and click on task manager. We can cancel and close this now, and then we go to here to details, and then here we will find Epic Games Launcher. There we go. We will find here Epic Games Launcher.exe, and now you just click on it. You just click on it once. If it's constantly moving around, you just go here to view, and here update rate and put to pause or to slow, and then here we just click on Epic Games Launcher and click on end task and end the process. And now if we go and close here, and now again if we go to add remove programs as before, add remove programs here, and if we go and search for Epic Games again, go to this Epic Games Launcher, uninstall, try now to uninstall it, and it should be working fine. As you can see, there's no error anymore. So that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if this was helpful to you, and if you want more content like this, ask many questions if you have. Bye.